Hello, everybody. So today I'm going to talk about the Crown Court and criminal procedure. The UK is made up of four countries: England, Wales, Scotland, and Northern Ireland. Some laws apply throughout the UK, some apply in one, two, or three countries. Here we will focus only on England and Wales. This does not cover the law which applies only to Wales, Scotland, or Northern Ireland. The English judicial system distinguishes civil law from criminal law. We will therefore focus on criminal law and the way in which serious cases are handled. Criminal law, which is a branch of public law, defines the limit of acceptable conduct. A person who violates the criminal law is considered to have committed an offense for the whole society. When a suspect is arrested for having committed or suspected of having committed a crime, the police begin with an interrogation and decide what to do with the case. If the police have serious and tangible proof, they can transmit the case to the Crown Prosecution Service. This Crown Prosecution Service did not exist before 1986. This is the equivalent of prosecution. He is in charge of the prosecution, but it's not necessarily the chief of police in the investigation of the case. It is then up to this Crown Prosecution Service to decide whether the case should go to court or whether the suspect will then become an indictment in court. Minor offenses such as excessive speed are heard by the courts. Very serious offenses such as murder, rape, are heard before the Crown Court. The Royal Court or Crown Court deals with the criminal cases that have been transferred from the judicial court, including the hearing of serious criminal cases such as murder, rape, and theft, cases sent for sentencing and appeals. Cases are heard by a judge and a jury. The decisions of the Crown Court can be appealed to the Criminal Court of the Court of Appeal. The Crown Court is based in around 19 centres across England and Wales. A jury of 12 people, chosen at random from the local population, will decide without residence whether the defendant is guilty of the offence. Usually, a jury's decision will be unanimous, but the judge can decide that an 11-for-1 or 10-for-2 majority is sufficient. The judge informed the jury of the law, whose role also includes imposing a sentence if the defendant is found guilty. The penalties available for criminal offences include fines, payment of money of the state, prison terms, and community penalties such as supervised unpaid labor.